History and the changes that happened since then are as important as they shape the present. Asia had a rich history, and it has also changed tremendously since the ancient times and the era when Western powers scrambled across the world for colonies. You will see some of the political, economic, social, and cultural changes Asia has gone through over the years. In the political area, the Asian countries were once mostly monarchies. Now they are mostly democracies. Think of the changes that happened here in just a few hundred years, abandoning a political system that existed for thousands. But it is a good change because democracy incorporates the will of the people in leadership more than the absolute systems of the past. In the economic area, Asia has the fastest growing economy across continents, and thus the 21st century is often called the Asian century. This is miraculous, as just after the Second World War, the economies of Japan and other Asian countries were not at all good. The economy was trade-based before the World Wars, but the Europeans actually benefited since the 16th century until the end of the colonial era. In the social area, Asians now value equality. We should be proud of it, as equality is a good social trait, as everyone has a part in the world. Think of how much has changed when in ancient times, countries like India had a divided and class-based caste system that caused injustice. And finally, in the cultural area, Asians have imbibed a kind of combined cultural system. We have embraced modernization and have high technology, yet preserve many traditions, such as in countries like China, India, Japan, and many others. This is good because we get the best from both worlds. We have modern technology and are more efficient, yet the feasible traditions are kept to have a reminder of the past. Back then, it was more tradition than technology, as the culture was not as touched yet by outside forces. In conclusion, Asians and their continent are different from their past selves, yet kept some things too. They have changed their political, economic, and social habits, but they have at least kept their culture, and remnants of the old ways of life exist to this day.